What is going on, believers and apes up? Guys, the Banana Task Force apes sold out of 10,000 NFTs during a bear market in about a 2 week period of time. That's an insane level of dedication from their hodlers. And guess what? We're still going down a little bit, but it's feeling good. Do you know why? Because the apes are here to represent. It's not financial advice, but I'm always right. All right, apes. I want you to listen to me close when we talk about this. We're trading at 46.17 right now with 5 zeros. You can see here this downward set of momentum that started. This downward pressure kind of started on the 27th of June around 6 a.m. But I want to focus a little more on the 28th from 9 o'clock on. So the 28th right here to 9 o'clock on. You see here we've had a lot of sideways action, and then we had this sell down that happened overnight. Now, it's not listen, this is not a significant amount, but I know that you're feeling the pressure because of it, because you want to see this token move. Well, the same thing is happening over here on Bandex as well. And you can see here from this data line here at 9 o'clock right here, you can see again, trended a little sideways for a little while, and now you're starting to see it move down. So guys, I want you to take a look. I want you to see what's going on in the real crypto market. 2 days ago, Ethereum was trading at $1,230. Today, it's trading at $1,000. So there's been a massive sell-off in the market. And as you can see here, this has just been a nonstop downward pressure, a cascade, if you will, of movement and pressure on the downside. And look here, for most of that, BTFA has been holding up extremely well. Bandex has been holding up extremely well. So this thing will turn around. And when it turns around, just remember, BTFA is taking itself to the moon. Now, I know some of you are asking the question, hey, Bleaves, wasn't there something going on with some exchanges, some tier ones, stuff like that? Yes, all of that is still going on. It just takes a little bit of time. We've entered a really red period of a bear market, and we rely on these exchanges to make their announcements. And as you look around, there's not a whole lot of listing going on. So it'll take a few days to get them on board. They will let us know the moment. You guys will see it. It will be listed. And trust me, these are big exchanges. You're probably following them, and you are going to know exactly when they come aboard. So have no fear. Those exchanges are almost here. Also, let's move on here and see this during the last 24 hours, 48 hours, I want to say. We've also been accepted by Change Now for instantly exchanging Banana Task Force Ape at the best BTFA exchange rate on Change Now, free of limits, accounts, and worries. This is a Fiat Gateway. You can buy it with Visa or MasterCard. And I think they're using here the Trust Wallet for this. But over here, it's very easy to do. You can do the same thing over here. And Swap Zone also has accepted BTFA as well. And it's the same principle over here. You can now change and swap your tokens for other tokens, or it is also and does represent a supported currency, a Fiat Gateway. So there's a lot of things that are going on in the background that we're just not seeing right now. And we're not seeing it because this market has been bleeding red. But fear not, guys. This does not last forever. And when this market starts to change, you can rest assured that on top of the crest of that giant wave is going to be BTFA. Moving on. All right, guys, apes represent. It's during these bear times where we find out whether or not you're a true ape or not. So have a little patience, have a little faith, understand the market circumstances are very bad right now for every token, and BTFA has been holding up surprisingly well. Not only has it been holding up surprisingly well, it's sweeping the floor constantly to get rid. It's driving up the price. It's helping your both crypto and NFTs in the long run. And what more could you ask for in a development team? These guys are getting it done. You may not see it all the time because the market conditions are not ideal. You may not see it all the time, but I assure you it's there. And if you just look and pay attention, you'll know this is the team that has your back right now. This is not financial advice. My name's Bleaves. I'm always right, and apes up.
I'm looking for the good life, sitting on top of the world. I wanna be